Now exercise 13.1. First question. Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. If you join two cubes, you will get what? Cuboid. Okay. So here, initially this will be one cube and this is another cube. These two cubes are joined end to end. Okay. So now here, so the volume of this cube is given. We know the formula. What is the volume of the cube? A cube or H cube we can say. Okay. So here volume of cube. So that is given is 64 centimeter cube it is. Now volume of cube, what is the formula? H cube. I will write it as A cube. A cube is equal to 64. Now here what? A is equal to cube root of 64. That is A is equals to 4. 4 for the 64, 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. So means A edge of this cube is 4 centimeter. I got it. Okay. Now, so this is what? So length of this is 4 centimeter. This I'll take it as 4. So let us take this as cuboid. Now this is 4 centimeter. And now this height. So this is 4 and this is 4. This is how much? 8 centimeter. So this will be the height. Now length of 4 centimeter, height 8 centimeter and breadth. So initially it was a cube. So breadth will be also 4 centimeter. This is also how much? 4 centimeter. Now L 4 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter, height I will take it as 8 centimeter. Okay. Now here let us substitute them. L is equal to 4 centimeter, B is equals to 4 centimeter. Now H is equal to 8 centimeter. Now they ask you to find what? Surface area of the resulting cuboid. So this is the cuboid. So surface area of cuboid. You know the formula. What is that? So here it will be TSCA, not CSA, because top and bottom are not open. They are not said. So it is closed. It means we have to assume that it is closed. If they say top and bottom are open, you can take it as CSA. Okay, not said. So you can take it as a TSA. So let us write the formula 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. Substitute the values. 2 into L, 4 into H, 8 plus BH, 4 into H, 8 plus LB, 4 into B is 4. So this is 2, 32 plus 32 plus 16. So this is 2 into 32 plus 32, 64, 64, 70, 80. So this is what? 80. 80 into 2, that is 160 centimeter square, since it is an area. Okay. So now the surface area of the resulting cuboid is 160 centimeters cube. 160 centimeters square. Okay. Now here I have taken, so volume of each cube they given. So this edge of this cube I have taken as A. So volume will be A cube 64. Here from this cube root of 64 is 4 it is. Edge of this cube is 4. Now this is 4 centimeter and this is also 4 centimeter. 4 plus 4 it is 8 centimeter. Height I have taken as 8 centimeter. So otherwise in this way also you can take cuboid. Both are same. But LBH are different. Even though you will get the same answer. Okay. So if you change LBH here, L will be 8 centimeter. Okay. Breadth and height will be 4 centimeter. But even though you will get the same answer 160 centimeter square. Okay. So this is how we can get surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now the second question. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere means inside the hemisphere that is open. Okay. It is hollow, empty it is. Inside the hemisphere it is open or empty it is, hollow it is. Mounted by a hollow cylinder. Again hollow cylinder means inside the cylinder open, okay, empty. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. Diameter is given 14 centimeter and total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the solid. So the solid will be hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Mounted by a hollow cylinder means on the hemisphere there is a cylinder. First I will draw hemisphere. So first I will draw hemisphere. Let us take this as a hemisphere. Okay. Now on this hemisphere there is a cylinder. So mounted by a cylinder. So here I will draw a cylinder. Okay. Now this is the cylinder. Now this is what? Cylinder. This is a solid is formed. This is hollow. This is also this is also hollow. Hollow means both are open. This is also open and this also open. There is no close. There is no packed. That is top of the cylinder is not open. Now diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. From here to here how much it is? 14 centimeter diameter. So this will be what? 7 centimeter. That is radius of the hemisphere is 7 centimeter. Now, so the diameter is 14 centimeter. So this I will take 14 centimeter. The total height of the solid is how much? 13 centimeter. The height of this solid. So this is how much? 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. So since it is 7 centimeter, radius of the cylinder, radius of the hemisphere is 7 centimeter. If you take hemisphere, if radius is 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter, this also 2 centimeter, this also 2 centimeter. That's why I can say it as a sphere it is. Okay. So here I have taken it as hemisphere. So here from here to here how much it is? 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter and this will be 7 centimeter. So the remaining, how much the distance for this? This is 13 minus 7. So this will be 6 centimeter. Okay. So how will get the height of the cylinder will be 6 centimeter. How? So already we know the radius of the hemisphere is 7 centimeter. So total height of the solid is 13. 13 minus 7 will give us a 6 centimeter height of the cylinder. Now let us write it first. Height of cylinder. Height of cylinder. I have taken it as h is equal to how much? 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. So now before this I can write radius. So first I will write radius of the hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere, that is r, is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to what? 7 centimeter. So since radius is 7 centimeter, then height of cylinder, h is equal to 13 minus 7, that is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we are going to find what here? Find the inner surface area. We have to find the surface area of this solid formed. Okay. Now means surface area of solid I can write. Solid. Surface area of solid is equal to now what I can write? CSA of hemisphere, because hollow hemisphere is there. CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of hemisphere plus, now this is CSA of cylinder. Why it is CSA? Because that is also hollow. Okay. Means these two ends are kept open. Now this is equal to, now let us write the formula. CSA of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. This is 2 pi r square plus, now CSA of cylinder, we know formula, that is 2 pi RH. Am I right? 2 pi RH. That is CSA of cylinder. Now in these two, what I can take common? You observe here, radius of the cylinder and radius of the hemisphere are taken both same, because diameter of the hemisphere as well as diameter of this circular base of cylinder is same. That's why the radius for these two solids are same. Now in these two I will take common as 2 pi r. Inside what will be there? R plus h. Now we can substitute the values. So let us substitute the value. This is equal to 2 pi 22 by 7. They said you use 22 by 7 pi r. R value is how much? 7 into r plus h. R is 7 plus h is how much? So h already got, it is 6. Now this is equal to 7 get cancel. 22 2s are 44 into 7 plus 6 13. So this is equal to 44 into 13. How much? 44 into 13. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 of 16 is 17. 4 plus 1 572. So this is what? 572 centimeter square. Okay, centimeter square. Now I should write the conclusion. Therefore, surface area of solid is equal to 572 centimeter square. Okay, so means inner surface area of the solid is 572 centimeter square. Now third question. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. Here the word on. The last problem, the word we use it as by. On a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. So here is cone is mounted on hemisphere. Mounted on hemisphere. Cone is mounted on hemisphere means downside is hemisphere, upside is cone. That is the word cone is mounted on hemisphere. So first I will take the hemisphere here. So first I will draw hemisphere. On this hemisphere there was a cone. Okay. So there was a cone. The radius of the cone and radius of the hemisphere both are same. So means the base of the cone and the base of the hemisphere both are same I can take. Okay. Now this is how much? Radius of the hemisphere and radius of the cone is 3.5 centimeter given here. 3.5 centimeter. Now the total height of this solid is 15.5 centimeter. This is the total height of the solid. Now this is 3.5 centimeter. This is how much? 3.5 centimeter. 3.5. Now what about the height? So what about the height of this cone it is? So first I will write radius. Radius of cone is equal to radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere. That is r equal to 3.5 centimeter. Given it. Now the height of cone. Height of cone is equals to h. This can be written as 15.5 minus 3.5. So this distance and this distance both are same because it is hemisphere. So 15.5 minus 3.5 will give us how much? 12 centimeter. So therefore the height will be 12 centimeter, means this length will be 12 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find the slant height first. So that slant height L is equals to under root of r square plus h square. Substitute the values. R square, r is 3.5. So 3.5 square plus h square, that is 12 square. Now this is L is equal to root of. This 3.5 can be written as 35 divided by 10. 35 divided by 10, that can be written as 7 divided by 2 square. 35 by 10. So 5 2s are 5 7s are 7 by 2 whole square plus 12 square is 144. This is equals to under root of 49 divided by 4 plus 144. Now this L is equals to under root of 49. 4 4s are 49 plus multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 7. 17 it is 4 plus 1 5. 576 divided by 4. So this is equals to 49 plus 576. That is 625. 625 divided by 4. So here I am getting it as 25 divided by 2. The strand light L is equal to 25 by 2 centimeter because they have given radius and height of the cone in a centimeter. So slanted is 25 by 2 centimeter. Now we have to find here is what? We have to find the surface area of the toy. Now surface area of toy is equal to, now how I can write? So this is the solid or toy. So this is CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone will give us a surface area of the toy. Okay, CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere. Otherwise, can I write this part as hemispherical part? Can I write hemispherical part plus? So this is shape in the form of hemisphere. So this part can be written as CSA of hemispherical part. Otherwise you can write hemisphere only, no problem at all. Plus CSA of cone. So this part is in the form of cone. So that I can write this part as conical part, or you can write it as a cone, no problem. CSA of conical part. Conical part. Now this is equal to, let us write the formula. CSA of hemisphere it is. CSA of hemisphere is nothing but how much? CSA of hemispherical part. CSA of hemisphere formula, hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square plus, okay, plus CSA of conical part means CSA of cone. So CSA of cone is what? Pi r L. Now let us take the common here. What I can take common here is pi r, you can take common inside, 2r plus pi r taken outside, remaining is L. Substitute the values. Pi is 22 by 7, r value. So here r value is how much? R is 3.5. This 3.5 can be written as 7 by 2. Already I wrote here na. So 3.5 is 7 by 2 means 35 divided by 10. So that is pi 2s are 5 7s are 7 by 2 I can write. So 7 divided by 2 into 2 into r. R value is again 7 by 2 plus L. L is 25 divided by 2. Okay. So we have to simplify this. 7 7 get cancelled. 2 to get cancelled. Now 2 1s are 2 11s are. Remaining is 11. Now 2 to get cancelled. 7 plus 25 divided by 2. Now 11 14 plus 25. So this is 39. Am I right? 39 divided by 2. So 39 into 11. So 11 9s are 99. 9 remain carries. 11 3s are 33 plus 9 42. That is 429 divided by 2. Can I write? 11 9s are 99. 9 carries. 11 3s are 33 plus 9 42. 429 divided by 2. In fraction you can write it as, or in decimal. So this is how much? 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are 8.5. So this is what? Centimeter square. So here surface area of the toy is 214.5 centimeter square. Okay. This is how we can find the surface area of the toy.